Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best pre-camera app to record videos in different aspect ratio for iPhone smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone smartphone. So firstly just open the App Store, and in the App Store just search for one application named as Blackmagic Camera. Just search this application. On the first list you will see the application Blackmagic Camera. Just tap on download or install. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening it will ask you some permissions. Just enable the camera option. Tap on OK. Tap on microphone. Tap on OK. Just allow. And click on continue. You can see this kind of user interface, right? So if you want to take in the landscape mode, then you need to turn off the rotation lock option, otherwise it won't be automatically rotate. So just disable the lock rotate. So I have disabled the lock rotate. Now you can use it in the landscape mode. So here I'm not gonna discuss all the features it's gonna provide. I'll just give you a quick overview. So just by going to the settings, you can see a tons of options to record in the 4K, Full HD or 720p. So there are tons of options, so you can check it out by yourself. So I'm not gonna make it bored by showing each and every features here. I'll directly focus on the topic. So now here you can see here on the right side, the first option, you can see one square separate icon. Just tap on it. Now here you can see the fourth one from the top, you can see at the center. So here you can see here different aspect ratio, as you can see here. So you can select different aspect ratio depending upon your needs. If you want 14:9 is also 4:3, 1:1. As you can see here, it's showing the aspect ratio size after you record how it forms. So you can see here, and if you want the cinematic video shots, you can select different aspect ratio. So you can see here, so it will automatically show the frame size before recording. So you can see here it keeps on changing. So once you are done, you can just tap on this the record button. So now you can see it's recording, and once you're done with your recording, just tap on this record button again to stop recording. And now here you will see on the right side media, just tap on it. Now your recorded video will be saved here, but this won't be saved directly on your photo application or on your device. It will be saved only on the application. Then if you want to save it on your iPhone internal storage, just tap and hold. And now you can see here on share icon, just tap on it. Just scroll down below. Now you can see here save video option, just tap on it. Now it will be saved to the Photos application. So let us check if it is saved or not. So you can see here the video is being saved. So by using this application named as Blackmagic Camera, you can easily record videos in different aspect ratio for free in iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.